In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a PDF document or file to your Shopify website. First, make sure you already have a PDF file that you want to upload. Then, log into your Shopify account and go to your website dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Online Store and then Pages to see all the pages that your store has. If you don't have any pages yet or want to add this PDF in a new page, go ahead and add one. For this example, I'll create a simple test page just to demonstrate how to add a PDF to a product page. Now, while setting up your page, go back to the PDF file you want to add. What I like to do is upload PDF files to Google Drive. This way, you can easily embed that file into any Shopify page. So, open your PDF in Google Drive, click the three dots for more actions, and choose Embed File. You will see an HTML embed code that you can copy. Go back to Shopify, open the page editor, and paste that code into the product description box. If you preview the page and see a 404 error, it means your Google Drive file is still private. To fix this, go back to your PDF in Google Drive, open the sharing settings, and set it to Anyone with the link can view. Now return to Shopify, save the changes, and refresh your page. You'll see that your PDF is now embedded and working perfectly. And that's it. That's how you can easily add and display a PDF file on your Shopify store. If you don't already have a Shopify account, make sure to check the link in the description below to register. You can get 3 months for only $1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.